That's
Hello, my dear students. Good morning. I hope that all of you are busy with the studies. Keep on reading English. If you miss reading English for 1 week, it will become tough later on. Today, you are going to learn the chapter number 12. The title is The Water. The water, not hotel, water. So, chapter number 12, The Water. With this title itself, we can get some information. What is this one? This lesson is about the water. How many waters? One water. Whether particular water or common water, one particular water. This is the story about one particular water. That means whether his vote is important or if he can get the win because of his one vote, we will come to know by learning this lesson. Whether this is a lesson? No. What is this called then? It is called a short story. It is not a lesson at all. You take anything. Play is there. Sunny morning play. Today short story. Now next one. Take any lesson. Gardener short story. This is called short story. Everything I need to learn. Essay. Poem, what kind of poem? Everything is different. It is called a short story. It is written by Chinua Achebe. Chinua Achebe has written. Who is this Chinua Achebe? He belongs to Nigerian nation. He is a great poet, great writer, and first president of Nigeria, independent Nigeria, and critic. Means he can analyze all the things. Next one. This session is reserved only for introduction, for giving introduction to this particular. It is a lengthy chapter. It will take 5 to 6 sessions to complete this first chapter, the water. Next. You must be careful now that many students have not sent the answers. I must receive 5 sets of answers. 100 mark question papers 2, 25 question paper 2, 150 mark question paper. We have sent, but many students have not sent the answers. Today itself, all of you must become alert, send the answers immediately. If you don't send, we cannot add your name in the subject list, English subject students list. Carefully. Then we will learn only introduction today. First, I am going to give the details about the characters. Characters. Short name is roof. R-O-O-F, roof. Not this roof, only roof. What is the full form of roof? What is the full name of roof? Means Rufus OKK. R-U-F-U-S. Rufus OKK. OKK. Okay, it will become OKK. Next, Marcus Ibe. Marcus Ibe is a minister. This Rufus is assistant to this Marcus Ibe. He is the minister in this Nigerian government. Both of them belong to ruling party. Their party's name is PAP. You can score more than 10 marks if you follow the teaching very well. Minute by minute, word by word, it is very essential. PAP party, ruling party in Nigeria. The voters of Umofia village. They have played the major role. Next one, Obefe Ejenwa tribal leader. traditional, highly valued person. Maduka, he belongs to POP party, opposition party in the election. Next one, Igbo people. Igbo, IGBO. Igbo people means tribal people. Next one, Ie means a small god in Nigerian native place, native deity. Deity means, okay, smaller than god, semi-god. Now, one thing you must understand. This lesson, this short story must be understood not according to the story. It is not like a movie, like a sunny morning. It is one particular character. What are the actions linked to one particular character? This is very, very important. This Rufus Okak's involvement is totally full. In each and every action, Rufus' name is found. His role is very, very important. He is the villain, he is the hero in this lesson, in this short story. Next one. This is characters. Totally there are 3 characters, main characters. Ruf, Marcus Ibe, voters. What happened? This Rufus is assistant to this Marcus Ibe. He is requesting all the voters of Umofia village to vote for his boss Marcus Ibe. He is requesting all are ready to vote for Marcus Ibe. What is the symbol of this ruling party? PAP party symbol means car, big car. What is the symbol of this opposition party, POP parties, this election party symbol means head. There are cunning situations. There are jokes. There are beautiful dialogues. There are actions, flashback. This is a link. There are nearly 55 points to remember which can be found in your notes. The 4-mark question or a 6-mark question is assured. From 9th onwards, all chapters are important for either 4-mark or 6-mark, and grammar questions also. It is why this lesson is reserved for almost all expression question. It is why read the textbook. After this session is over, first read the textbook. Later read the notes. Later read 1-mark questions. Then only you can come to understand. Later, I have given the details about the characters. Now I will give you some details about some places and keywords. Later I will give the introduction. Yes. Now that characters role is over. Now keywords which are found in this short story. PAP, very, very important. While teaching is going on, you must concentrate on my each and every word. 1-mark question, they will ask, what does PAP stand for? Or what is the full form of PAP or POP? It is confusing. We are not familiar with these words. It is why you must store the answers properly. In a hurry, many students will write wrong. Progressive people, so they will interchange very easily to score 1 mark, but without concentration, students are losing marks. PAP party, People's Alliance Party. Come here, one group. People's Alliance Party. It is called Marcus Ibe Rufus Party. It is the ruling party in the story. What is the name of the opposition party? POP. POP means Progressive Organization Party. It is the first ever time they are contesting in this election. So, POP, how to remember? A means administration, O means opposite. Opposite party and administration means ruling party. Next one. Maduka. Maduka is the leader of this opposition party, POP. Next one, shillings and pound. Shillings means coins and pound means currency note. Pound is greater than this shilling. Shilling means coins, pound means note. It is a currency of this Nigeria nation. Ballot means vote paper. Next one, places. What are the main places which are found in this story means Nigeria nation, but Mafia village. Particularly, there are so many actions have taken place in Mafia village, Nigeria. Next one, House of Tribal Leader. House of Tribal Leader means Ubefa Ejelwa. He is a tribal leader. In his house, one night, one meeting was held. This meeting was held between Roof and tribal leaders. Then, House of Roof. Here also, one action takes place. Finally, polling booth. Roof. In every action, Roof's role is essential. Roof has played his role in all kind of actions. Without a roof, there is no action. Roof, before the polling, he was the decent man. During the polling, he was not a decent man. What happened to him? It is explained under one should. Marcus Ibe, Roof, 1 out of 2. This one out of these two characters question will be asked. Or mark this Roof's actions on the election day and the thoughts of the voters during the election day. There are 4 divisions. Later I will take you to the next level now itself. What are the two introduction lines in this lesson, in this chapter? These are the 2 lines. These 2 lines are, the voter is a short story. We have not mentioned short lesson. It is called what? Short story that depicts means explains. The dilemma means confusion of a person. Who is that person? Marcus, this Roof. Rufus, okay, is the main person in this lesson. How he was confused before he could go for voting. Dilemma of a person involved in the process of electioneering. Electioneering means during the voting. This is written by Chinua Achebe, a great novelist, poet and critic of Nigeria. If it is not possible to write means a great poet, a great novelist and poet of Nigeria, it is enough. See, it is a short story. It explains the confusion of a person who is going to vote on the election day. It is a main story. It is written by Chinua Achebe, belongs to Nigeria nation. The story throws light on the role of electorate in a democratic setup, providing insights into man's individualistic and mass behavior. You cannot understand the meaning of this one, but it is your duty to write these 2 lines as introduction lines in your exam. All kind of 4 and 6 mark answer must carry these 2 introduction lines in it. It is by now. What is the main thing? There is a fight. Fight between what? Man's individualistic means single man's behavior. One person's behavior during the election day. Who is that person? Roof. What is the main action of his individualistic role and mass behavior? That means how the all voters are voting, how this one person, particular person, this Roof is voting. It is not a physical fighting, mental fighting. Mental thoughts, different thoughts of Roof and all voters of that village. It is explained in this lesson. One more time I wish to say that this lesson should be understood as mixture of actions. Actions which are related to particular characters. This is very important. Then what are the 4 questions which can be set on this short story? Means you see 4 mark or 6 mark questions. Sketch the character of Rufus O'Keke. Sketch the character means he is a good person or bad person, or whether he is smoking or taking alcohol. It is unnecessary. What kind of important actions done by Rufus O'Keke? How brilliant is he, and how he could deal all kind of situation? It is explained in this answer. Next, write a note on Marcus Ibe, whether he is a rich, poor, or whether he is speaking softly, kindly, or rough, rude. It is no. Means how he was before the first election 5 years ago, how he is now, how he is cheating, how this fellow is attracting the voters, how he is cheating the voters. How he has become from his poor condition state to the richest man in that village. It is linked to this question number 2. Trace the change in the attitude of the villagers before second election. That means how many elections are taking place in this lesson? Means 2 elections are taking place. So many actions are taking place during the second election. In the first election, there was no action at all. So, what are the changes in the behavior or thoughts in the voters of this Umuofia village in the Nigeria nation? It is the answer to this 3rd question. 4th question, how is Rufus' dilemma brought out in the lesson the voter? That means during the election day, during the voting, how this Rufus was in great danger. How he was in a great confused state of mind. It is explained. Next, what are the stages? This is very important. First stage says that how Rufus is the best election manager, election campaigner, best assistant, how he can understand the pulse rate of the voters, means how he can judge the mind of the voters. It is explained. Next stage, how Marcus Ibe has become the richest. In that one, how he was before the first election, how he is after the first election, how he is going to be during this second election. It is explained. How he totally depends and how he totally believes in this roof. It is explained. Third one, how the voters of Umuofia village voted freely without taking any single shilling or paisa from Marcus Ibe. Why they want money from Marcus Ibe or Roof during this second election? This is explained. See, in the first election 5 years ago, they voted freely, first ever time. In the second election, each and every voter wants money, more money, much money. Why? Because Marcus Ibe was poor during the first election. After his 5-year term is over, he has become the richest man in that village. So, the voters of Umuofia feel that because of their vote power, he has become the richest. He has built a big mansion, big house. It is why this time he is earning so much money. Now they want at least some percentage, means a partial portion of this Marcus Ibe's money. It is why this in the second election, the voters of Umuofia are not ready to vote freely for this Marcus Ibe. How is Rufus' dilemma brought in the election lesson? The voter. That means final stage, fourth quarter, final quarter. Fourth one out of 4 quarters is that Rufus was in great danger on the election day. Why? Some actions have taken place during the previous night. before the night of this election day, some actions took place in the house of this group. How it has become so dangerous? Why he was trapped during the election day? In what kind of danger is he in? It is explained in this fourth quarter. Imagine that one character, what are the actions linked or this attached to that particular role or character. This is very, very important. After this session is over, please first read the textbook, read the notes. I will explain this lesson in the 2 sessions. I will give revision for 2 sessions. Totally, it will become 5 sessions because it is very, very important to score nearly 9 or 7 marks. Truly, 1 mark or 4 mark or 6 mark plus 2 marks grammar question. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 or 6 plus 1 plus 2, 9 marks can be scored. Reading the textbook is very, very essential. If you don't read the textbook, you cannot score better. If you don't follow the notes, you cannot score better. Reading notebook, learning well by using the textbook, both are very, very essential indeed. In my next session, I will teach you first half of the lesson, later second and third part and fourth part. Later I will give the revision because it is a lengthy lesson, mixture of so many different actions. I will explain this one in my next session. Okay, please, my dear students, read the textbook, read the notes, get ready for next session. Okay, good luck.